some muffins. So we have more of these, but we're using the banana nut. Is that right? Banana nut. And it's Martha White muffin mix. So let's get started. So what we'll need is oh, can you get the milk? Yeah. Some milk, any type if you want. A 1 1/2, like 2, 1, I guess. What is that? Mama?
Got some almond milk?
No, I don't want to use this.
Yeah, that's what we use for cooking.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, so what is this, like 1 1/2? 1/2. And then we have a whisk, a little bowl, doesn't have to be that big. And then our muffin tray too. So it's already on 400 F. Is that right? 400 Fahrenheit on the stove. So let's get started. And we'll need some of this baking spray, but we're not gonna use it right now. So, okay. So we're gonna need this way. Okay. So we're gonna have the scissors. Be very careful with this. We're just gonna. Hey, Brett. And we're just gonna cut this open. Some banana nut. Okay. We're gonna put it in the bowl so it doesn't spill everywhere. Ooh, I can see the nuts, Mama. Okay, we're gonna throw this away.
Just use a spoon instead of a whisk.
Why?
You can spoon it into here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'll put it away for you.
So instead of the whisk, I'm using a spoon because it's easier to spoon it into the cups.
I would say get a bigger spoon.
No, this is a big spoon.
Oh, it is? Okay. I thought you grabbed a tiny one.
No.
And then let's put the scissors back.
Okay.
Carefully.
I'm gonna put the scissors back carefully. Okay, Mama, can you like lift it higher because I can't see my face.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. So now we're gonna let this sit over, like let it be over there while we take our milk, take the cap off, and pour it in the cup. 1 1/2, I guess.
No, just a half. 1 1/2 would be 1 whole cup plus the half. 1/2.
I'm gonna set it down, see if it's good. A little more. Okay, you have it filled. Now get our mix.
Turn the heater back on.
Pour the milk very gently in. Let's go put this in the sink. Okay. Now we're gonna use our spoon. And we're just gonna mix it. See that? It looks all crumbly because there's all the milk is on the bottom. Okay, it's getting better and it smells delicious.
Hey, Emma, move to the left a little bit so they can see your bowl.
Okay.
There you go, right there. That's totally fine.
Okay, now there's still some crumbles in it that are dry.
What about strawberry?
Oh yeah, it's strawberry.
All right, I'm gonna put them in for 12 minutes.
12 minutes. It does say 14 to 16 minutes, but then it gets like burnt, kind of, right?
Yeah, we like them a little bit underdone.
So we're gonna do a 12 and show you when they get back. Good job. Okay, so the muffins are done, and here are the revealing. Yes, over there in that corner is Buddy. And then we have Dot somewhere. Oh yeah, right there. Say hi, Dot. Oh, that's Kiki. That's Dot. So, here are the revealing muffins. Na 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 na. I haven't tasted them yet. I pinky promise you. Let's do it. But first, I have to do the song. The song. Oh, banana nut. Oh, banana nut. Oh, I think you will taste so good. Okay, now I can eat it. That. Oh wow, it's actually really good. Wow, that's good. She's literally licking the butcher block right now. So, I know you don't want to look at me eating this wet. It's really good. You should try this. It's not as good as all the other ones, but it'll do. But what? Okay. Bye, and we'll see you on another muffin mix video again soon. Oh, banana nut. Oh, banana nut. Oh, I think you'll taste so good. And it does. So I just came back. I don't know why. Just a video that I wanted to make about a pregnant mom. So she, yes, did have 2 of these. So you're gonna come with me and we're gonna see what this pregnant mom is like.